welcome back to my channel. So today's video has been literally like a long time coming. I've wanted to do this review for so long. Ever since this collection released, there was like maybe 2 videos here on YouTube just like reviewing this collection, trying it out, and I was just so hyped when I first saw this collection on Instagram. But unfortunately, I live in Canada and our mail is super slow. This took almost 3 weeks to get to me from California, which is a little bit ridiculous. I know a lot of people from the UK have already gotten their collection, so like I don't know what that's about, but this took forever. I still wanted to film this video for you guys because I was just super excited for this collection. So if you haven't already guessed from the title, it is the ZOELLA COLOURPOP brunch date collection. I was gonna say lunch date. Brunch date collection from ColourPop. So I got the PR bundle. As you guys could see, I paid for this, I think it was like $65 US for the whole entire collection, which is awesome because if you guys have ever shopped Kylie Cosmetics and you see the PR packages are like $300 and I never buy them. But yeah, so I really wanted to review this collection. It's just very, very me, to be honest with you. It's so weird. It's just very me. I really like just cutesy stuff like this. Like it comes with this little sticker package with like pancakes and waffles and eggs and strawberries. Like I think that's so cute. It's very me, it's very my aesthetic, so it's kind of funny that this is somebody else's collection because I feel like it should be my collection. So I actually didn't know who Zoella was prior to hearing about this collection. I just don't really watch a lot of, you know, bigger YouTubers. Like I think she has like 8 million subscribers or something crazy like that. I don't really watch bigger channels like that. I don't know why. I don't know if it's like personal preference or anything like that. I just never really ever clicked on any of her videos. But I did see her video on how she created this collection. She seems like a cool person and I would probably watch her again. The way, you guys, I know that there's drama surrounding Zoella, and if you're watching this video and you're like, how could you ever buy that collection? How could you ever buy something from her? I really had no idea who she was prior to this collection. I never watched her videos. Still don't know about the drama, don't care about the drama. This is about the makeup, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my face, tell you guys what I think about each product. Well, actually I'll show you what's in this PR bundle first. I already like photographed this and did the intro and everything, kind of messed it up a little bit, but that's okay. So it comes with 3 lip bundles here. These are so cute and these are what I'm really excited for. I'm really excited for these and the eyeshadow palette the most probably. So they're in these little milk cartons. So cute, so cute. So that's what they look like. They remind me of that Tokidoki character, the milk one. He's like my favorite character. So random. Okay, so the first lip bundle I have is the What Happens at Brunch bundle. It has At Me and Oh Snap. And the inside, if you guys haven't seen already, they are little eggs inside the packaging, which I think is a really cute touch. So these all come with a matte liquid lipstick and a lippy pencil. I have not tried their lippy pencils yet, so this is the first shade. It's kind of like a mauvey nude color. Looks like that, and the lippy pencil of course matches it. I think the packaging of this is so cute with the white and pink. This next one is called My Day Ones lip bundle with Little One Ultra Matte Lip and Little One lippy pencil. This one's also a nude, but it's more of like a true nude versus this one is more of like a mauve, if you guys can see. I'll swatch them to show you guys the difference. I'm not gonna swatch them on my lips yet because I keep forgetting that these are not scented. Okay, so these are the 2 matte liquid lipsticks. As you guys can see, one is definitely more mauve and the other one is more nude. And then word? My favorite word is what?
Nude.
The next one is called Give Us a Goss, I think it says. I don't know what that means. Anyways, works out one day and thinks he's like Hercules. Okay.
Hercules. Rude. Okay.
So this one has an ultra matte lip in Self Love Club and the lippy pencil is called Bossy. So I think this one is a strawberry colored one. Oh yes. So is this unique? No, it looks super red in the packaging, but let's swatch it and see probably have something like this in your collection if you are into red lips. So it's kind of like a blue based red. It's really pretty. I really like it. Better not make any noise. I'm gonna kill you. Alright, so the next thing is so cute. It looks like a little orange juice box right here. This is called the Group Hug Supernova Shadow Bundle. I have not tried these actually. So these are their liquid shadows by ColourPop. And I'm trying not to like ruin the packaging by opening it. The first color here is called OG and the second color here is called Bellini. They're very similar. I feel like Bellini is a little bit more of a rose gold and OG is a little bit more of like a cool toned mauve, but let's swatch them and see. So you don't have to buy both of these because they look pretty similar. I like Bellini a lot better though. I die. So yeah, I definitely like Bellini a little bit more. It's a little bit more pigmented, I would say. So those are the two right there. Bellini is this one and this one is OG to the side there. So I'm going to try these on my eyes for you guys. I'm probably going to use Bellini today. See how I like it. I have not fallen into the whole like liquid shadow like trend that's going on right now. By the way, you guys, this is the makeup bag it comes with. I'm probably going to be keeping this. I don't know what I'm going to put in here. Maybe it's like good for traveling because it's just clear. It's really cute. Anyways, so the last few things, there is a palette called Brunch Club, and this is probably one of the things that I'm most excited for and the most excited to try. So the packaging looks like a really interesting waffle. Like it has strawberry hearts, blueberries. I think she did a really good job with this packaging. This is the inner packaging. I think I like the box packaging a little bit more. I don't know, but this is cute. It's pink and it has waffles on it. How cute. And so this is the inside of the packaging. I know a lot of people say that this palette is nothing special, that it's like very neutral and you always get a pop of blue like in every other palette. I think this kind of reminds me a little bit of the peach palette from Kylie, the Royal Peach palette, just because of the blue, the pop of blue there. That just kind of throws everything off. But if you take away the blue, you get, as you guys can see, it's very, very neutral. But these are colors that I would wear on a daily basis, so I like having something like this that I can like travel with, and everything is here. I can do like a smoky eye, I can do a daytime light shimmery eye, anything like that. So if you have a lot of neutral palettes, you might want to skip this, but I personally really like it. I really like the packaging, so I'm definitely going to be using this palette. It's definitely not anything that we haven't seen before, but I think she did a good job with the packaging, and yeah, I really like this so far. I have not tried it yet, but I will try it later on in the video. So this collection also came with 2 cream gel liners, and one is called Sincerely Yours. I have not ever tried these yet. I'm probably going to give these to my mom because she really likes pencil eyeliners and I personally don't like pencil eyeliners. I'll probably try one for the video, but I'm probably not going to use these. So the first one is called Sincerely Yours, and it is just a brown. It's very, very creamy, I would say. So the packaging on these is just an orange pencil. And the next one is called XOXO Gossip Girl. This one is just black. So we'll just swatch this. It looks like that. Like I said, these are very creamy, very pigmented. I'll probably use the black one later on in the video. And then the last 2 things are the face products. So the first one is called Swipe Right, and this is a highlighter. And it's so cute. It looks like a little egg. I just swiped right on you. I don't know. Just kidding. Alright, so this is a really pretty champagne looking highlighter. It looks like that. Again, nothing super unique, but the packaging is really, really cute. It does have a mirror, so if you guys want to add these just to your makeup bag, I think that would be really nice. This next one is called Soulmate, and this is a blush. I don't know if the names of these two necessarily go with the rest of the collection, but they're cute products. So this is what the blush looks like. I think this is really cute. Actually, I haven't bought a blush in a really long time because I have so many, but I think that this is something I would definitely add to my makeup bag. It's a really nice, just like a spring pink, light pink. It's really cute. So that is pretty much it for what I got from the collection. It's the whole entire collection. Let's go ahead and try all this stuff out. Okay, I have you guys slightly zoomed into my face. I really need to do my lashes. I need to get them filled really soon, but I'm going to be trying the face products first and telling you guys what I think of them. So we are going to try the blush first in the color Soulmate. I really hope this is not chalky. I'll be really sad. Okay.
What do you mean by chalky?
Chalky? It's when there's not a lot of pigment, and then when you put it on your face, it doesn't show up really well.
It just looks like powder?
Yeah.
No.
Ooh, I really like this, actually. This is not chalky at all. I'm really glad because I really wanted to like this collection. So far so good. Definitely go light-handed with this unless you want to look like a clown. We are going to try the highlighter next. This is called Swipe Right. It looks like a champagne, like peachy shade. Wow. Okay, that's pigmented. I just want to be highlighted like everywhere. Okay, so this looks like a just regular plain champagne peach highlighter in the packaging, but when you put it on your skin, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a nice kind of pink glow to it. I think the flecks in here, like the little pearls, are pink, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna zoom you guys into my eye and we're gonna get started on what I think about the palette and just do an eye look with the palette and the eyeliners. So the first shade that I'm gonna be taking is the matte color in the middle, or the bottom row there. The first shade on the bottom. This is called Maple Syrup. Whoa, you guys, I just literally tapped my brush in there and so much came off of it. So this is a good first impression so far. I'm just gonna put this as a transition shade. Guys, that's what Maple Syrup looks like. It's a nice transition shade. I'm gonna add a little bit of Mimosa, which is at the top there in the corner. Alright, so that's what Mimosa looks like. I'm gonna go and do, I guess, French Toast. So French Toast is this one right there. It's another matte shade. I don't know why I decided to do all mattes with this look so far, but I'm actually gonna do like one of the liquid eyeshadows on the lid, I guess, and maybe try that pop of blue. We'll see what happens. Okay, you guys, this is what French Toast looks like. This is very warm so far. I really like it. It's very perfect for the summer, and I could see myself definitely wearing this eyeshadow palette as like a daily eyeshadow palette, if you guys know what I mean. Like, it's very just neutral and very effortless. I feel like the shadows blend really well. Like, I'm very impressed with this. All right, this is what we have so far. Actually, I'm gonna do my highlight color before we do the liquid eyeshadow. So let's do, there's really no highlight shade in here that's matte, which is kind of a little bit disappointing because I always do a matte highlight for the most part. But we are gonna take Champagne Toast in the corner there, and that's gonna be our highlighter. Ooh, that is pigmented. We're gonna do the liquid eyeshadow now in the color Bellini. And this is just gonna, I've literally never tried a liquid eyeshadow before, so hopefully I don't epically fail at this. That's what Bellini liquid eyeshadow looks like. It's really pretty, actually. I really like it. It was pretty easy to apply as well. I get what all the hype is about because it's just super pigmented. You don't really need to do anything special like to foil your eyeshadows, and yeah, it was super easy to apply. So that's what it looks like. And I think I'm gonna actually be brave, try that blue on my lower lash line. Okay, so that's what the blue looks like. I really like it. I really like the look I created with this palette. I think it looks really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that black eyeliner. The final eye look with the palette and the eyeliner and the liquid eyeshadow. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to be trying the lip bundle in At Me and Oh Snap. I really do like the eyeshadow palette. I highly recommend it. It's only $16, so it's pretty inexpensive. And then the liquid eyeshadow I really like too. It wasn't greasy. It felt really nice going on. It was pretty easy to apply and it was really pigmented. I really like the color Bellini the best. I did get some on my eyelash extension, so I'm hoping that it comes off and it's not a huge deal. But we'll find out later on. And the blush, highlighter, like them. They're not really must-haves for me. I really do like the blush though. Let's go ahead and try this out. This is the final look, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. This is what the lip color looks like. And honestly, I'm trying to find a nice like mauve-y nude to wear like for my wedding color, and I actually do really like this one. I think it's really nice and it's a good like balance between a nude and a mauve. So that is the final look. I really did enjoy this collection and I hope you guys will check it out, and I will leave you guys a link to the collection below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. I upload 3 times a week and I'll see you guys soon. Bye everyone.